Hey friends, Cheyenne here. I haven't been on YouTube in so long, so I am going to film my first video back. Today's video is going to be a realistic day in the life of a salon owner and hairstylist, aka me. So while I'm driving to work, I'm going to give y'all a little life update in my messy car. Okay, as y'all see, I have a diaper box and a car seat now. So since I filmed my last video, I've had a baby girl. She'll be 1 in August, so I've been super busy and I have not been filming videos, but I still own In Between Two Hair Studio here in Alabama. I am still very passionate about teaching and doing hair and blondes and toners and all that kind of stuff. Our salon has grown, my clientele has grown, everything has been great. So yeah, that is my introduction to this video, and I am currently on my way to work.
Stay up all night with you. No games to play, just one. I'll never tell. Just trust that I'll keep it locked in a cell. Never revealing no secrets you're keeping, these promises.
Okay, so client number 1, we're gonna do kind of a half highlight, half teasy light kind of combo. So I'm going to use Pulp Right Blonde AF lightener. I really like this lightener. I've used it a lot. So I'm going to use that. We're going to use Olaplex. I'm going to do 20 volume, and I'll show you guys how I did.
Never tell, just trust that I'll keep it locked in a cell. Never revealing no secrets you're keeping, these promises strong as a spell. I'll never tell. You're an angel, that's for sure. With some devil, hear you roar. But I like it, we on the floor. In my ear, be whispering. Used to have fun, now I'm bored. Do I miss you? Yes, of course. Think about that time when we stayed up all night talking. I could never let you go. Go on thinking about those secrets true. And I would never bet the world that I would find anyone like you. I'll never tell. Just trust that I'll keep it locked in a cell. Never revealing no secrets you're keeping, these promises strong as a spell. I'll never tell. It's true.
Hey y'all, it's Sab from NV22. So here we have Shades EQ 8N with a splash of 8V with processing solution. And we are just toning the roots down to the mids about 3 inches.
I'll never tell.
And so this is Miss Pam, our client number 2. And we've been going with a really like silvery color to match her natural. But we're wanting to do something different. So we're going to foil like a partial to blend in some of this gray. And then we're going to do a smudge root with a low light. Okay, so now we're mixing up the toner for her money piece and her ends. So we are using Shades EQ 9GI, 9P, and 9V processing solution. Okay, so this is the balayage that we did. And then we used the 8N and 8V on her roots and her mids, just down about 3 inches. Now we're going back in with the 9GI, 9V, 9P mixture. And we're just applying that to everything that was left out. We still have her money piece to do. We're gonna finish the ends with a toner and then go back to her money piece.
You're keeping these promises strong as a spell. I'll never tell.
Okay, so now we're finished toning. We did use Olaplex number 1 in the bleach, and then we went with Olaplex number 2 at the bowl. So we then applied the number 2, and then we applied her toner. So we did tone over the Olaplex. Now we're just using our hot towel, which is just part of the Olaplex treatment that we offer. We'll let this sit on at least about 10 minutes. We'll just check it every 5 or so.
Used to have fun, now I'm bored. Do I miss you? Yes, of course. Think about that time when we stayed up all night talking. I could never let you go. Go on thinking about those secrets true. And I would never bet the word that I would find anyone like you. I'll never tell. Just trust that I'll keep it locked in a cell. Never revealing no secrets. You're keeping these promises strong as a spell. I'll never tell. It's true, 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 it's true. I'll never tell. Just trust that I'll keep it locked in a cell. Never revealing no secrets. You're keeping these promises strong as a spell. I'll never tell. Yeah, I like you, that's for sure. Never have to close the door. Been a long time, a year before, and I'm missing you so bad. Gone away a month or more. Every show I go before, I need to hear that voice, cause right now feels like it's been too long. I could never let you go. Go on thinking about.
Okay, so for client 2, we are going to do a smudge root and drag the smudge root down a little bit to make some lowlights, and we're going to do an all over toner. So for her smudge root and her low light, we're going to use Shades EQ 7N with a little bit of 7V to keep everything really ashy. We also did Olaplex on her, so we're going to do the Olaplex number 2 all over and a hot towel treatment, and then we're going to tone her ends all over with Shades EQ 10T and a little bit of 10P.
You're an angel, that's for sure. With some devil, hear you roar. But I like it, we on the floor. In my ear, be whispering. Used to have fun, now I'm bored. Do I miss you? Yes, of course. Think about that time when we stayed up all night talking. I could never let you go. Go on thinking about those secrets true. And I would never bet the word that I would find anyone like you. I'll never tell. Just trust that I'll keep it locked in a cell. Never revealing no secrets. You're keeping these promises strong as a spell. I'll never tell. It's true, 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 it's true. I'll never tell. Just trust that I'll keep it locked in a cell. Never revealing no secrets. You're keeping these promises strong as a spell. I'll never tell. Yeah, I like you, that's for sure. Never have to close the door. Been a long time, a year before, and I'm missing you so bad. Gone away a month want more. Every show I go before, need to hear that voice, cause right now feels like it's been too long. I could never let you go on thinking about those secrets true. And I would never bet the world that I would find anyone like you. I'll never tell, just trust that I'll keep it locked in a cell. Never revealing no secrets you're keeping, these promises strong as a spell. I'll never tell, oh it's true, 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 oh it's true. You're an angel, that's for sure. With some devil, hear you roar, but I like it, we on the floor, and my ear be whispering. Used to have fun, now I'm bored. Do I miss you? Yes, of course.
Okay, so client number 3, we did a half highlight. We used a scoop and a half of Blonde AF by Riot and 20 volume. And then client number 4, we are going to do like a red retouch. So we're going to do kind of a root touch up / shadow root. So we're wanting to stay around the level 7 to level 7.5. So I'm going to use Redken 7 NCR. I'm going to use Matrix So Color 7cc. I'm going to use a little bit of Matrix 6RR and a little bit of 6RV. So I'm using a bunch of different colors for her because we're wanting it to be like a really rich copper red color. And with the reds that I do, I normally find that I like to change my formulas up and use a bunch of different things to give me a really pretty result. And with all of this, I'm going to use 10 volume. I also like the Redken 7 NCR because it's cover fusion, so the N that's in the NCR is going to cover any of the grays that she has, and it also helps prevent any like hot roots that you can get when you do reds and coppers. I also use 10 volume because I don't want it to shift the base at all. So if you use 20 volume like you would normally when you cover gray, then it's going to shift the base and it can cause hot roots too, and I don't want to do that. Plus she doesn't have much gray at all, so 10 volume will cover it good. Majority of my formula is going to be that 7cc because we want it to be really copper.
I'll never tell, just trust that I'll keep it locked in a cell. Never revealing no secrets you're keeping, these promises strong as a spell. I'll never tell. Yeah, I like you, that's for sure. Never have to close the door. Been a long time, a year before, and I'm missing you so bad. Gone away a month or more. Every show I go before, need to hear that voice, cause right now feels like it's been too long. I could never let you go on thinking about those secrets true. And I would never bet the world that I would find anyone like you. I'll never tell, just trust that I'll keep it locked in a cell.
Okay guys, so 6:41 and I'm about to do my last root smudge. I'm talking kind of low. The root smudge with 7N, a little 7B. And I got to, I'm either going to tone or purple shampoo her ends. I'll probably just purple shampoo them because they're really bright already. And then we're going to wax her eyebrows.
Hear you roar, but I like it, we on the floor, and my ear be whispering. Used to have fun, now I'm bored. Do I miss you?
Okay guys, so it is 7:38. I just finished my 5th and last client. I forgot to take an after video, but you can kind of see in the smudge video how good it was looking. We did a partial highlight, a smudge, an eyebrow wax, and Olaplex. So my grand total for the day, tips and everything, was $5.79. I did 5 colors and I worked 11 to 7:30, so that's 11. So that's like 8.5 hours. And it's a Thursday. I am in a small town in Alabama, so I know other people doing 5 highlights, like, or in 5 colors. Y'all would have made more, but that's what I made. $5.79. I'm super proud of it. I am super blessed to be doing what I do. I'm super blessed to have the best clients ever that let me video them today and that let me have the opportunity to do their hair. I'm very thankful and grateful and blessed. And I don't take a day for granted of this. I'm very, 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 very thankful. I have 3 colors to do tomorrow and about 5 or 6 more to do on Saturday, and then I'm done for the week. Yeah, so if you're thinking about being a hairstylist, I have all my encouragement to you. Don't let anybody tell you that you can't make money in this profession, because that's what a lot of people told me when I first started out, and you can. It's just all on your hustle and your drive and how much you want to work. So and I did work with an assistant today, so I will have to take that out of my pay and product and stuff like that. So just keep that in mind. And yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to subscribe, like, and comment something down below, especially more video ideas so that I can make more videos for you guys. I want to try to empower you and to educate you and make fun stuff. So, and also remember to please follow my Instagram at Cheyb_Beauty. It'll be in the description below. So, thank you guys so much, and I will catch you on the next one.
Feels like it's been too long. I could never let you go.